Hello everyone, welcome back to another travel vlog from my YouTube channel. It's me, Sean, with you. Through this video, I'll be reviewing a special place in the district of Kollam, which is what you can see over there. That is the Jatayu Earth Center. I hope most of you have been to this place. For those of you who haven't been to this place, this video will definitely be helpful. And this place has got a lot of historical significance. Talking about this place, kore stories regarding this particular place. You can read about the stories of Jatayu in the Ramayana. Jatayu is actually a god in the form of a vulture, and this place is built on the memory of that particular character in the Ramayana. And this story of Jatayu is famous in the book of Ramayana. For those who are not familiar with this story, you can check in the video description below. I have provided all the details regarding this particular place in the video description below. So if you are interested to know more about this place, you can check in the video description below and go through the details after watching this video. And talking about this place is actually 350 meters above sea level, and this place was completed with a budget of rupees 100 crore, and this place was opened for the public in 2018. However, in 2017 this place was first partially opened for the public, and people can explore this place. Only partial areas of this place were open to the public, but after 2018 this place was completely opened for tourists to visit and see the beauty of this Jatayu Earth Center. And this place was designed by Rajiv Anchal, who is an Indian artist. So more details regarding this place will be covered as soon as I reach there. So if you are interested in reading the history regarding this place, you can check the video description after watching this video. And I am actually first time being to this place. I don't have any previous experience regarding this place, and I'll be reviewing this place in detail. I'll be going through each corners and all. So now let's move on to that place and see for ourselves what is there in store for us. So stay tuned and watch this video till the end. And friends, I have finally reached my destination. I have parked my car over here. Now this is the Jatayu Earth Center, which you are seeing now in front of me. And the specialty of this place is that we can't go at the top with the car. In order to reach to the top over there, we can only use the rope cars present over there. We can't use our own vehicle to reach to the top. And it's actually a big rock, followed by everything looks really beautiful, pretty amazing in this place. As you look around me, there are only few cars over here, and at the same time the place is well maintained. It's actually a very nature friendly eco park, which you can see over here. The place is all well maintained, well watered, the garden and everywhere. It's really an eco friendly atmosphere over here. I'm going to the counter now to take my ticket, so we can see that. And finally I have got my ticket. The entry fees is actually rupees 238, which is written over here. It's 238 rupees the entry fees, and rest of the entry fees will be at the top. We have to take an entry pass from the bottom, then we have to reach to the top and take the entry fees for the cable ride. After taking that amount, We'll be reaching the top in the cable car. Now I'm walking towards the top, towards the cable car point. We can see over there. Now over here we are going to pay for the cable car, which is going to take us to the top. So we'll check it out. And finally I have got my ticket for the cable car. The same price over here also, that is, it's 298 rupees for the cable car. So you have to pay double 298 rupees while going to the cable car and while going to the top. And it's just like an airport scene over here, where you can see there are not much people over here. And I'm finally going to my destination, the cable car at the top. So we can see what's going to happen. I'm first time going to a cable car over here.
Second floor.
Yes, second floor. So actually they have asked me to go to the second floor, and the lift is going to close behind me. And I'm just going to the top for the cable car ride. So over there only the main destination takes place. And we have to actually go through the cable car towards the top. We'll just see what's going to happen now. Lift has opened. Now let's go. And this is my cable car which is coming over here. I'll be getting into this cable car and I'll be going to the top over there. And now I'm finally inside my cable car. And I'm going to reach the top over there. You can see the top view over here from here. This is the top view, and the door has closed now automatically. And we'll just see what's there at the top. This is actually my first time experience traveling in a cable car alone. See, there are no one around me, only me and few cable cars at the top. And lucky that I am in the first cable car to move on to the top. There are not much people over here, not much traffic. I think it's because of COVID that people are really scared to come to these areas and all. And there is really strict crowd protocols followed over here. And the cable car is taking me to the top now. You can see the views over here. I'm going to the top. It's really getting very fast now. See, that was the place which I showed you at the first of the vlog. And it's taking me to the top. It's all hills over here. Wow, it's pretty amazing. See, another set of cable cars are coming down now. ഈ കേബിൾ കാർസ് ഒക്കെ ശരിക്കും പറഞ്ഞാൽ ഇന്റർവെൽ വിട്ട് വിട്ട് അവരിങ്ങനെ പോയി ആൾക്കാരെ കളക്ട് ചെയ്ത് മുകളോട്ട് പോവുക ചെയ്യുന്നത്. ഈ പ്ലേസിന്റെ സ്പെഷ്യാലിറ്റി എന്ന് പറയുമ്പോൾ മൊത്തം പാറ ഇവിടെ എല്ലാം. And this is the place. This is the main earth center, which is carved in the form of an eagle over here. I'm really amazed by the beauty of this place. It's just like I'm inside a movie or something. And that's an helicopter spot over there. Looks like I'm the only one inside the cable car. There are no people around me. I'm the only one now who is going into this place. And while moving on in this rope train, there are a lot of instructions given to passengers over here. That is what you have to do and what you don't have to do over here. And my rope train is really taking me to heights. It's just like moving on to a big place. And that is the Jatayu Earth Center over there, and my rope train is taking me to that place now. We can see another set of rope trains coming back after releasing its passengers. And now it's time for me to get out of my cable car. I have reached my destination now. And I'll be getting out from this exit. Now I'm moving towards the top, and this is my destination, and finally I have reached the spot. And this is the Jatayu Earth Center. And these are the cable car tracks over here, and there are another set of cable cars coming after me. So friends, finally we have reached towards the end of this video. Hope you have enjoyed this video. If you have enjoyed this video, feel free to give a like or else feel free to dislike this video. Hoping to see a comment from you soon. So we'll meet again next time in another travel vlog with a fresh topic. Till then, bye, take care, see you.